boys and girls. So today you listen to the story Frog and Toad, The Lost Button. So what I want you to do again, our target is I can retell a story. I want you to try and retell that story, but first I want you to go ahead and listen to me. So Frog and Toad went on a walk. And as they were walking, they went through a meadow, they went in a forest. It was a long walk. And when they got back home, Toad had noticed that he had lost a button. And Frog told him, don't worry about it at all. We'll go back and we'll retrace our steps and we'll see if we can find that button. So along the walk, they went to the meadow and they went to the woods and they went on a dark path. They went all those different places to see if they could find that button. The first button that they came across wasn't the right button. He had actually lost a white button, and the one that Frog had found was a black button. So then a sparrow said, I found a button, but it wasn't the right button. And Raccoon found a button, and it wasn't the right button. Each time that they went back to a place, they found all these different buttons, but it was never the right button. Well, Toad got very, very angry. He could not believe that there were so many buttons everywhere. So when he got back home, he slammed the door because he couldn't find his button. And guess where his button was? His button was on the floor the whole time. So he decided that he was going to go get all the buttons that he had found and he was going to sew them on his jacket. And then he was going to give the jacket to Frog. All right, boys and girls, I want you to go ahead and I want you to retell that story. All right, you should have retold that story to mom, dad, brother, sister, grandma again. If you can't find somebody to retell it to, just practice by yourself. If you can videotape it and send it to me, I would love to hear it. All right, your job now is to go on Raz-Kids, find another book, see if you can do that same thing by retelling that story. All right, happy reading, guys.